Is this what are we waiting for? We have approved the dates for the start of the movement of our troops. The decisions have been made. I thank the brigades that prepared for this, Zelensky said. And this is good. BBC Planet Ukraine, the Storm Shadow.
Today, we embark on a journey from the natural wilderness to a realm crafted by human ingenuity. Our protagonist for the day? The formidable Shadow Storm, a long-range air-launched cruise missile. Its birthplace? An island nation known for its might and resilience, Great Britain. From its metallic womb, our mechanical bird of prey takes flight. Thrust into the boundless azure, embarking on a voyage that spans 300 kilometers. These lands teem with life of a different kind. Ancient T-62 tanks grumbling across the earth. Russian forces hidden in the shrubbery. But our airborne hunter knows just where to cast its gaze. And there, it seems, lies its quarry. A munitions storehouse now finds itself in the deadly embrace of the Shadow Storm's targeting system. The Shadow Storm swoops. Much like a falcon diving for its meal, it strikes with lethal accuracy. The earthquakes are a deafening tribute to the Shadow Storm's relentless pursuit. The depot, once a sanctuary concealed in shadows, is now a smoldering testament to the might of this mechanical predator.
Russia has reportedly considering hiring Wagner Group mercenaries to protect its border following last week's incursions, but has been unable to do so, probably due to legal obstacles. Instead, it's said to have turned to rehiring former Interior Ministry members. The VCHK-OGPU Telegram channel reports that according to a source, the border incursion in the Belgorod region forced an urgent search for ways to protect the porous border. As a result, negotiations were held with the Wagner PMC to contract for the creation of border incursion suppression groups. These were to be groups of 300 people who would move as quickly as possible to the locations of border incursions in old Russia. And then the most interesting part. The government agencies have come to the conclusion that in Russia such a contract with private military companies cannot operate. This is likely because Russian law still formally prohibits mercenary activity within Russia. As a result, the Russian Federal Security Service, FSB, is now trying to patch up gaps in the border with former employees of the Russian Interior Ministry who are being actively recruited into the border service. Who has really killed most of citizens of Donetsk for last 8 years? Maybe Nazi Ukrainians? Not. People's Governor Pavel Gubarev, who was used by Russia in 2014 to legitimize so-called DPR in Ukrainian. Donetsk tells the truth about how Russia killed most of Donetsk men population by using them in frontal meat storms attack on Ukrainian positions.
За 8 лет в Донецке не произошло никаких тенденций положительных. Сейчас там вообще отсутствует такая категория, как взрослый мужчина там, в возрасте там, от 25 до 55 лет. Они, то есть, там обескровлена территория. Те, кто не уехал, те мобилизованы, очень большие потери. Народная милиция, там 4-й, 5-й, 6-й состав уже меняет свой. Их продолжают стачивать в бессмысленных лобовых мясных так называемых штурмах. Это все очень печально, очень плохо. И, к сожалению, ситуация не меняется в лучшую сторону.
Kazakhstan President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev replied to Lukashenko's suggestions that Kazakhstan join the Russia-Belarus Union State to get nuclear weapons. I appreciate the joke. Kazakhstan is moving away from the orbit of Russia's influence.
На днях президент Республики Беларусь Александр Григорьевич Лукашенко предложил Казахстану вступить в союзное государство. Но я по достоинству оценил его шутку. Я думаю, что необходимости в этом нет, поскольку существуют другие интеграционные объединения, прежде всего Евразийский экономический союз. Что касается ядерного оружия, то оно нам не нужно, поскольку мы присоединились к договору о нераспространении ядерного оружия, к договору о запрещении испытаний ядерного оружия. Остаемся верными обязательствами в рамках этих международных документов.
And let's see the latest violence from Kosovo. This is the worst that's been seen in many years. Serb militants in northern Kosovo attacked NATO forces and wounded 41 of them. It's interesting that some Serbian attackers wore Z symbols. Serbian military convoys are headed towards Kosovo.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.